If you're looking to level up your home cooking with smart, innovative products, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down 5 must-have kitchen tools that will make your time in the kitchen easier, more efficient, and a lot more fun. From precision cooking to perfectly crafted ice, we've got the best of the best to enhance your kitchen experience. Let's dive right into the top 5 products every home chef needs. Are you ready to level up your home cooking? Meet the Anova Precision Oven, the revolutionary device that brings professional sous vide results right to your kitchen. This smart oven does it all, whether you're baking, roasting, or steaming, thanks to its precision control of temperature and humidity. With the Anova Precision Oven, you can cook restaurant-quality meals without the hassle. It's not just an oven, it's a fully connected device. Control your cooking from your phone with the Anova app. Adjust settings or get guided recipes at your fingertips. Perfectly moist chicken, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside bread, or succulent steaks every time. The Anova Precision Oven delivers flawless results with steam and sous vide technology, all in one. Want to elevate your cooking game? The Anova Precision Oven is the only tool you'll need. Get yours today and start cooking like a pro. Anova Precision Oven, making home cooking smarter and tastier. Looking for a healthier way to enjoy your favorite fried foods? Introducing the Kosari Smart 5.8 Quart Air Fryer, your new kitchen essential for crispy, delicious meals with less oil. This sleek air fryer uses advanced rapid air circulation technology to cook your meals evenly and quickly, with up to 85% less fat than traditional frying methods. With 11 one-touch presets, the Kosari air fryer makes it easy to whip up anything from French fries to chicken wings, all with just a tap. Plus, its smart control lets you adjust cooking settings directly from your phone through the Kosari app. The 5.8 quart capacity is perfect for families or meal prep, handling large batches of food effortlessly. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with its non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket. Whether you're air frying, roasting, or reheating, the Kosari Smart Air Fryer delivers mouth-watering results every time. Healthier meals, faster cooking, what's not to love? Upgrade your kitchen with the Kosari Smart 5.8 Quart Air Fryer and enjoy guilt-free fried foods with a smart twist. Kosari, making healthy eating easier and tastier, one crispy bite at a time. Do you love that soft, crunchy restaurant-style ice? Meet the G-Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker, your personal solution for perfect ice right at home. This stylish, compact machine delivers chewable nugget ice in minutes, perfect for any drink. Whether it's your iced coffee, soda, or cocktail, the Opal 2.0 brings that signature texture you crave. Not just an ice maker, the Opal 2.0 is packed with smart technology. Use Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant to schedule or control your ice making from anywhere. With a generous 24-pound daily ice production and a large capacity bin, it's ideal for hosting guests or keeping your family stocked with fresh nugget ice all day. Convenient, quiet, and efficient, the G-Opal 2.0 makes getting nugget ice as easy as pushing a button or saying a command. Elevate your home drink experience with the G-Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker, the ultimate addition to any kitchen. Looking for the ultimate kitchen upgrade? Say hello to the Instant Pot Pro Plus, and a true game changer for home cooking. This versatile 10-in-1 multi-cooker combines the power of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, sauté pan, rice cooker, and more, all in one sleek design. Whether you're making soups, stews, or even desserts, the Instant Pot Pro Plus can do it all. With its Wi-Fi-enabled smart control, you can cook from anywhere. Use the Instant Pot app to monitor your meal, adjust settings, and access a library of chef-inspired recipes at the touch of a button. From tender roasts to perfectly steamed veggies, the Instant Pot Pro Plus delivers delicious, consistent results every time 70% faster than traditional cooking methods. Want more control? Its customizable cooking programs let you fine-tune every recipe, so your meals are just the way you like them. Make meal prep easier and more enjoyable with the Instant Pot Pro Plus, the ultimate kitchen tool for busy households. And finally, the last product on our list, Meet the Meter Plus Smart Thermometer, the ultimate tool for mastering perfectly cooked meats. This wireless Bluetooth-enabled thermometer is designed to help you cook your meats to perfection every time. No more guesswork, just real-time, precise temperature monitoring straight from your phone. The Meter Plus pairs with the Meter app to guide you step by step through the cooking process. Whether you're grilling, roasting, or smoking, it tracks both internal and ambient temperatures to ensure flawless results. From juicy steaks to tender chicken, the Meter Plus Smart Thermometer ensures your food is never undercooked or overdone, so you get restaurant-quality meals right at home. With a 165-foot wireless range, you can relax and entertain your guests while your Meter Plus does the work, keeping you connected to your cooking no matter where you are. Make perfect cooking effortless with the Meter Plus Smart Thermometer, the final must-have on our list for smart home chefs. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking! Be sure to like and subscribe for more product reviews and kitchen hacks.